In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play against bots in Multiversus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you the two major ways to play against bots in Multiversus. This is going to work for any platform where you can access Multiversus. All that you have to do is go into the game modes and choose between training, local, or custom game. So first, if you go over to training, you will load immediately into the training area. As you can see, one bot will be spawned immediately. So this is useful if you want to practice the moves, if you want to get used to the movement, and you will be able to see how everything feels. If you press escape or pause the game at any time, you will have the option to add new bots to this training area. As you can see, you can have up to 3 bots. You can change their fighter, you can change all of the skills or the perks that they have, and you can control their difficulties. As you can see, they have different behaviors that you can manage, and it's a nice way to get used to moves and practice combos. However, if you go back to the home screen, go over to game mode and you choose local, you will also have the option to play against bots. So as you can see in this menu, this is going to be the actual game. So the bots will start moving immediately. Unlike the training mode that you saw previously, where they will be standing still, in here they will actually start moving and you will be able to play against them just like you would in a quote-unquote normal match of Multiversus. So when I load in, they will be ready to go, moving, attacking each other, and so on. So this is all you have to do. You will be able to set up the custom match however you prefer. Once again, you can change the perks, the difficulty, you can do 2v2 by assigning them to different teams like this, and you can change the rules as necessary. If you go back to the home screen, the last option that you have is custom game. In here, once again, you have the option to add bots as needed. You can choose from any of the fighters and you will be able to control their difficulties as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to play against bots in Multiversus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.